I'm sorry, I'm just getting kind of bored doing these videos, so I'm mixing it up. Okay, geometry. Here we go, 10-6. Okay, page 718, 10-6. Okay, we're almost done with chapter 10, which is exciting. And hopefully it hasn't been too bad. You guys have been doing pretty well, so hopefully it hasn't been too bad. So we're going to talk about section 10-6, page 718, probability. Here we go. Okay, example number 1. Remember, probability is the likelihood. It's like the number of times it happened over the number of times it could. Boy, I really made that nice and clear, right? And here it says the number of times the event happened over the total sample space. And I'll show you what we mean by that. That's because geometry, and so there's like pictures, and so it's a little different. But this is called geometric probability. Wow, I can't even talk today even a little bit. So let's look at example 1, page 718. Okay, so what is the probability for A that the point lies on AC in my picture here? Well, the first thing we want to do is get the entire sample space. That's what goes on the bottom. Wow. The entire sample space is 12, right? 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 5 is 12. That goes on the bottom. That's the entire area that we're talking about. Okay, now for the top, we just want to put the area that they're asking for. And they're wanting to know the space that's between A and C. So between A and C is the space they're looking for. How long is that? 7, right? So 7 is what we put on the top. What we put on the top is what they're asking for, and what we put on the bottom is the entire amount. Okay, so let's look at B. Let's see what the probability is that the point is not on AB. Now, there's a couple ways to do this. I just start right off by a shorter method than it is here. So I'll show you what that is. We're looking for everything not on AB. So this is AB. So I don't want anything that's on that section of the line, right? So we're going to go ahead and use the rest of the line. Okay, we're just not doing AB. So how much distance is the rest of the line going to be? 8 total, right? 8 for the rest of the line because we're not doing AB. And our total line, the total space, remember, was 12. If you can, you're supposed to reduce. So we're going to reduce. 4 goes into 8 twice. 4 goes into 12 3